Hi everyone, in this video let's discuss about the MCQs on transport system in India. The first question is the importance of ring road for New Delhi is. So it is to avoid the main city crossing and for heavy vehicle to avoid city center. So hence option C is the right answer. Second one, dry port of West Bengal is located at. So it is located at Calcutta. So the answer is option A. Third one, Kolkata Mumbai National Highway via Agra is known as. So it is known as NH6. Option D. So this is based on old name. And then fourth one, which of the following national waterways connect Kottapuram with Kollam? So that is Kerala Coastal Canal Waterway. Hence option C is the right answer. Fifth one, National Waterway 1 connects. So the Waterway 1, it connects Haldia to Allahabad. So hence option C is the right answer. Sixth one, Bangkok and Kolkata is connected by National Highway. So that is connected by the National Highway NH112. Seventh one, the headquarters of Eastern Railway is located at. So it is located at Kolkata. Eighth one, the Indian Railways have gone in for qualitative improvements since independence. Which of the following have taken place in recent years? So that is gauge conversion, track electrification and automatic signals. That is option D. Ninth one, match list 1 with list 2. So North Central, so that is Allahabad, and then North Eastern, so that is Gorakhpur, and then West Central, that is Jabalpur, and then South Central, that is Sikandarabad. So North Central, South Central, so these both end with Bad, so Allahabad, Sikandarabad, and then West Central and North Eastern, so it is end with Jabalpur, Gorakhpur. And the next one is, so hence the correct answer is 4321. Option A. 10th one, which of the following state rank first in India in length of roads? That is Maharashtra. 11th one, which one among the following United Territory of India share the shortest length of national highway? So that is Chandigarh. So it shares about 15 kilometers. So whereas Delhi shares 79 kilometer, Daman and Diu shares 22 kilometer, Dada and Nagar Haveli shares 31 kilometer. Hence option A is the right answer. 12th one, the projects under Coastal Berth scheme of the flagship Sagarmala program are distributed over how many states? So it is distributed over 8 states. So they are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and West Bengal. The 13th one is, which of the following national highway connects Chapara and Gobelganj? So that is National Highway 85. So the National Highway 77, it connects Pondicherry and Krishnagiri. So on the National Highway 84, it is Bihar, it connects Ara and Baksam. So which is in Bihar. And National Highway 90, so it connects Mokama in Bihar to Faraka in West Bengal. So hence option C is the right answer. 14th one, which one of the following is the correct sequence of occurrence of river from Chennai to Kolkata when travelled by road? So that is Pennaru, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi and Subarnakhya. So option C is the right answer. 15th one, which one of the following statement with regard to the Indian Railways is not correct? So the first one, Indian railway network has been developed throughout the Konkan coast. So this is correct. There is a low density of railway lines in the Himalayan region. This is correct. The North Indian plain has a dense network of railway. It's also correct. At present, India has the largest railway network in the world. So here, India is the fourth largest railway network. So the first one is USA, and the second one is China, and the third one is Russia. So this one they didn't mention the place, fourth place they didn't mention that. So this one is the wrong one. So option D is the answer. Match list 1 with list 2. So here West Central, so that is Jabalpur, and then South East Central, so that is Bilaspur, East Central, that is Hajipur, and North Eastern, that is Gorakhpur. So the answer is 1342. Option D is the right answer. Next one, the headquarters of Eastern Railway Zone of Indian Railway is located at. So it is located at Kolkata. The headquarters of Metro Railway Zone is located in. So it is located in Kolkata. Which one of the following state does not have the headquarters of any railway zone? So that is Odisha. Twentieth one, which one of the following sections of the Golden Quadrilateral Highway in India is the longest in terms of route distance? So that is Kolkata to Chennai. So option B is the right answer. So Delhi Kolkata, this distance is 1453 kilometer. Chennai Mumbai, its distance is 1290 kilometer, and Kolkata Chennai, its distance is 1684 kilometer. Mumbai Delhi, its distance is 1419 kilometer. They have asked which is the longest in term of route distance. So option B is the right one. And then 21st, match list 1 with list 2. Kolkata landlocked area, Mormuga in the Delta region, Visakhapatnam on the river side, Paradip on the entrance of estuary. So Kolkata, so it is on the river side. So and then Mormuga, so it is on the entrance of the estuary. And then Visakhapatnam, it is landlocked area, and then Paradip, it is in the Delta region. So hence option B, it is the right option. 22nd, the Samjhautai Express runs between Delhi to which city in Pakistan? So that is to Lahore, from Delhi to Lahore. Hence option D is the right one. 23rd, what is Golden Quadrilateral? That is National Highway Project. So it links all the 4 major states of India. 24th, Pirpanjal Railway Tunnel is located in. So it is located in Jammu and Kashmir. 25th, the first Uday Express train runs between. So it runs between Bangalore and Coimbatore. 26th, National Waterway is located on which river? So it is located on Brahmaputra. 27, in which of the following state is Kandla Port situated? So it is situated at Gujarat. 28, which is the longest national highway in India? So that is NH44. And then 29, which pass connects Uttarakhand and Tibet, and is situated in the north of Gangotri. So that is Mullingla Pass. 30th one. The highest railway station is located in the state of. So it is located in the state of West Bengal. The railway station is Gum railway station in Siliguri, India, so which is in West Bengal. And the next one is how many international airports are there in India? So that is 34. And then 32nd, which of the following is the largest container port of India? So that is Jawaharlal Nehru Port, option A. 33. Name the oldest operation port in India built by the British East India Company. So that is Kolkata Port. 34. Which among the following ports in India has been renamed as Deena Dayal Port? So that is Kandla Port. 35. What was the National Highway 66 previously known as? So it is known as NH 17. Hence option A is the right answer. 36th. How many national highways were merged to form National Highway 44? So that is 7 national highways, and it passes through 11 states. So those 7 national highways were NH1A, former NH1, former NH2, former NH3, former NH7, and then NH75 and NH26. These are the 7 national highways merged to form National Highway 44. And 37th, Paradip Port is located on the delta of which river? So it is located on the delta of river Mahanadi. So hence option C is the right answer. And then match list 1 with list 2. Sharavati Valley, that is in Karnataka, and then Shakosia Gorge, so that is in Odisha. Pirotan Island, that is in Gujarat. Bhagwan Mahavir, that is in Goa. Hence, the correct option is 4312, option C. Second one, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is located at. So it is at Gurgaon in Haryana, option C. And third one, arrange the following Indian states in a chronological order according to their formation and select the correct answer by using the codes given at the end. Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand and Sikkim. So here Chhattisgarh, so it is formed on 1 November 2000, and Jharkhand it is on 15th November 2000, and then Arunachal Pradesh it is on 20th February 1987, Sikkim it is on May 15, 1975. So hence 4, 2, 1, 3. So this is the correct chronological order, hence option B is the right answer. Fourth one, about 30% of India's area lies in the 3 states of. So it lies in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So Rajasthan is the biggest state in terms of area. And then fifth one, which one of the following state of India is surrounded by Bangladesh on 3 sides, that is Tripura. And then sixth one, the dispute over Siachen Glacier is between. So it is between India and Pakistan. And then seventh one, North Bihar is famous for. So it is famous for flood. Eighth one, a state in India has the following characteristics. First statement, its northern part is arid and semi-arid. Its central part produces cotton. Third one, cultivation of cash crops is predominant over food crops. Which one of the following state has all the above characteristics? So that is Gujarat, because its northern part is arid and semi-arid. So the northwestern part of Gujarat is actually a desert. And second one, its central part produces cotton. So 30% of the country's cotton is from Gujarat. So second one is also correct. And then third one, so Gujarat produces cotton, groundnut, milk products and dates. So hence the third statement is also correct. Hence option B is the right answer. Ninth one, between India and East Asia, the navigation time and distance can be greatly reduced by which of the following? First one, deepening the Malacca Strait between Malaysia and Indonesia. Second one, opening a new canal across Christmas between the Gulf of Siam and Andaman Sea. So which one is right? So the first statement, deepening the Malacca Strait between Malaysia and Indonesia. So this is also correct. So by doing this, we can reduce the navigation time and the distance. And the second one, opening a new canal across Christmas between Gulf of Siam and Andaman Sea. This is also correct. Christmas, it is a narrow part of Malay Peninsula. So this one is also correct. Hence option C is the right answer. 10th one, a sandy and saline area is the natural habitat of an Indian animal species. The animal has no predator in that area, but its existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat. Which one of the following could be that animal? So here they have given 4 animals. Indian wild buffalo. So it is in Chhattisgarh and it is found in alluvial area and swampy areas. The second one, Indian wild ass. So this is the correct answer. So this animal has no predator, but it is an endangered. So that is because of the destruction of its habitat. And the third one, Indian wild boar. So it is at high crop region and it is usually used to destroy the crops like sugarcane and rice, etc. And then Indian gazelle. So it is in deciduous area at northwest of Rajasthan. Hence option B is the right answer. 11th one, 3 of the following criteria have contributed to the recognition of Western Ghats, Sri Lanka and Indo-Burma region as hotspot biodiversity. So those 3 were species richness, endemism and then threat perception. So hence option C is the right answer. 12th one, consider the following statements. Program, project, ministry. So here they have asked which of the following pairs are correctly matched. So first one, draft prawn area program. So it comes under Ministry of Rural Department. So they have given Ministry of Agriculture, so that is wrong. Second one, desert development program. So it also comes under Ministry of Rural Development. So what they have given is wrong. Third one, National Watershed Development Project for Rainfed Area. So it is under Ministry of Agriculture. So this is also they have given wrong. Hence option D is the right answer. And the next one, which of the following is called ship capital of India? So that is Nellore. And the next one is the river which is used for inland waterways in India is. So here they have given Ganga, Kaveri, Mahi and Loni. So these 3 are not used for inland waterways. Hence Ganga is the right answer. So the rivers in India which are used for inland waterways are Ganga, Bhagirathi and Hooghly River, Brahmaputra, Krishna and Godavari rivers, Baraka river, rivers in Goa and Kerala and Mumbai inland waterways. So these are the rivers these are the inland waterways used in India. Hence Ganga is the right answer here. And the next one, which city has the headquarters of 2 railway zones in India? So that is Mumbai. So which is the headquarter of Central Railway and Western Railway. 16th one, when was the Geological Survey of India established? It is on 1851. And the next one is 2 places in India, Rushikulya and Gagir Marga have become well known for? So it is well known for mass egg-laying sea turtles. Hence option A is the right answer. 18th one, consider the following. So here they have asked which of the above is naturally found in India. So that is adjutant stork. So it is naturally found in India. 19th one, which one of the following is not situated on Varanasi Kanyakumari National Highway? So these four options are in Madhya Pradesh: Satna, Rewa, Katni and Jabalpur. So here they have asked which is not situated on Varanasi Kanyakumari National Highway. So that is Satna. Hence option A is the right answer. 20th one, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of Chardham Highway development project or Chardham Mahamarg Vikas Pariyojana at. So it is at Dehradun. And 21st, the Vijayanagar Advanced Landing Ground of the Indian Air Force, which was reopened recently, is located in. So it is located in Arunachal Pradesh. 22nd, cross-border oil pipeline inaugurated by PM Modi in September 2019 connects which of the following cities? So it connects. So it was opened by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. So it connects Motihari and Amalganj. So which is in Nepal. 23rd, in which of the following Indian airports will the Wings India 2020 International Exhibition and Conference on the Civil Aviation Sector be held? So it is held on Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad. Hence option B is the right answer. So these are the questions regarding the transport system in India. Hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.